Unlocking persistence. Understanding, keep pushing through. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very inspiring phrase, keep pushing through. This phrase is a powerful tool in both everyday life and challenging situations. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how you can use it to motivate yourself and others, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Keep pushing through is an idiomatic expression that combines three key words, each with its own significance. Keep suggests continuation, pushing implies applying effort or force, and through indicates movement from one side to another. When put together, this phrase encourages us to continue applying effort to move from a challenging situation to a better one, despite difficulties or obstacles. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal development and academic pursuits to professional challenges and physical fitness. For instance, if a friend is studying for a difficult exam and feels like giving up, you might say, "Keep pushing through, you're almost there." It's a way to motivate someone to not give up, highlighting the importance of perseverance and resilience. To fully grasp how to use keep pushing through in conversation, let's look at a few examples. After running for miles, I wanted to stop, but I told myself to keep pushing through until I reached the finish line. Even though the project was tough and the deadlines were tight, the team kept pushing through, ensuring its success. Learning a new language can be overwhelming at times, but it's important to keep pushing through the challenging early stages. Keep pushing through is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that emphasizes the power of persistence. It reminds us that obstacles and challenges are part of the journey toward achieving our goals. Adopting this mindset can transform the way we approach difficulties, turning them into opportunities for growth and learning. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, keep pushing through, but also inspired you to apply it in your own life. Remember, it's the persistence through the hard times that leads to significant achievements. Keep pushing through, and who knows what you'll be able to accomplish. See you in the next video.